How to delete WhatsApp chat backup permanently. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up WhatsApp on a device. Tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now go to settings. Tap on chats. Now scroll down and click on chat backup. Now tap on Google account. Now check the Google account where you are backing up your WhatsApp chats. Now once you see that, go back to the home screen and open up Google Drive. Tap on the profile at the top right corner and switch to the account. Now once you switch, tap on three lines at the top left corner. Now tap on backups. Now under backups, tap on three dots and click on delete backup. Again tap on delete and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.